my tracks to see what I can do, what the wind and nature tells my soul, never to hold myself back to anyone else. In my way to keep on riding, to keep on walking, to keep things out of my way and my path. Cold-headed as a winter to think clearly, with my mind when it all comes to shine, with the path ahead, the forest nature, and the lakes and seas is where I wanna be free, not in some box in a Maine state that keeps me trapped. I can feel it's gonna be a long way, and that's why I choose to stay, even when the road gets bumpy or what comes in between mud and dirt. But I keep myself clean enough to shine bright like the sun, and I would never run if something comes after me, because I keep my strength like the ox, but my wolf spirit that comes from within my soul of me, that snaps my limits and sets me free. I don't need your disgusting weakness or fear from my way just to stop me now, and not look at the lake with its bright blue colors that shines with the sun, the trees that stand tall and never surrenders and runs away. In the mountains deep I hear the echo of my soul that says fuck it all, let's be wild and free as we are. Human spirit and soul belongs to the wolf, with the way that I am to break everything that stands in my way down. I don't need someone close to me just to live my life and be happy and free. I got my own ways of the way that I am, and I stand tall and proud of what I've become, because it was better than my past. When I can see different things outside of where I wanna be, I don't need someone else to rely on, but myself, my trust goes a long way. And perspectives, but not everyone sees it, because they are too ignorant and blind. They never choose my way, but their own narrow space of their own mindset and mentality. And I've had enough of the mirrors in this labyrinth that only shows one person for how they are, just because they want the attention. But let me tell you something, the spotlight is sometimes on the wrong people, but that's why I stick to my own way. I don't need other people's footsteps when I got my own that I choose to make in life as I am, to ride out to the fields of nature, to feel the wind and speed, and adrenaline to feel my soul fly away. And just like the thunder and fire and water from my soul that shows how I am, to take one step closer to my goal.